Hey you guys, there's a random freight car in the middle of nowhere and the Trilluim is getting it right now.
Oh, I know where it is. Jeez.
It's picking it up right now. Trillium's there.
They're doing something. I think it was off the track.
It was deserted yesterday. It was just randomly there. And if you can see, it's getting it. Not sure exactly what happened to it, but yeah. Guess rail maintenance is getting it, I guess. Broken rail. Yeah, there's rail maintenance.
You fucked up all the track, see? Yep. Gotta fix the track because they fucked the track up. Or they screwed the track up.
And there's what was the there it is. And there's the Trilluim.
They gotta fix
Never runs on a Sunday, so it's all good.
What do you think?
Sweet.
Okay?
Yep.
You seen enough?
Yep.